पंजाब ने शेर में भी देखा था हमने और यहाँ भी देख रहे हैं। टॉस जीतो, फील्डिंग करो, पहला ओवर डाल लो।
Kicha Sudeepa plays it well, guides it towards the squarish third man area. Okay, there Jairam Karthik with Kicha Sudeepa. Square cuts it. The first boundary for Karnataka Bulldozers. No need to run for that. Square cuts it, bisecting the gap on the offside.
देखिए शॉर्ट बॉल थी, मौका था विकेट करना, डीप में कोई प्रोटेक्शन नहीं है। मुझे लगता है यहाँ पर विक्रांत को पीछे एक फील्डर जरूर रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब आप स्लो गेंदबाज हैं और क्योंकि डीप फाइन लेग और थर्ड मैन को आप सर्कल में रख सकते हैं।
It was not a good day for him. Rajiv hits it straight. No need to run for that. For the second boundary for Rajiv Hanu, gets into double figures.
शंकर, मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा कप्तान गलती कर रहे हैं। अभी पिछले ओवर मैंने बोला था कि आप डीप में प्रोटेक्शन ले लेते तो शायद ये 2 बाउंड्री बच जाती और ये भी तो शायद कैच भी हो जाता।
Field of the grass, the ball didn't go for the boundary on the previous occasion, but not this time. Rajiv Hanu once again behind the stumps gets the gap for 4 runs.
बल्लेबाजी की जा सकती है, मौका मिला है तो चौका भी मिला है। गैप में कई गेंद, कोई मौका नहीं किसी फील्डर के लिए, क्योंकि डीप में कोई फील्डर है नहीं।
Batter in the history of CCL to have scored a century, and that too in this season, Darling Krishna. But Rajiv is no less a player. Right into the waiting hands. He should have jumped at the right moment. Must have hurt himself. The ball crosses over the boundary. Here at Manas Gangotri hits it straight in the air, and there we see Pari there trying to take that catch. Must have hurt himself. But it crosses over the boundary. But he must have lost his balance.
It's a very pleasant city. It's a very pleasant city. That's a
catch.
I think that's
and I think an important
6. Huh?
No.
All right.
Rajavadi ground. Beautifully struck this. Has it. Couple of bounces over the boundary cushions. Another very handsome boundary for Rajiv. He's looking $1 million.
Was tailing down leg. It was almost like a no-look shot. And we'll have to blame the bowler for losing his line. Easy runs. The strike now. Come on, Chennai.
Giving it the old heave-ho, picks the gap and the boundary as well. Gets 4 very handsome runs. Now getting closer to that coveted 50.
That'll turn out to be another special knock for Rajiv. Just gave it the big heave-ho and was a little fortunate to find the gap. Gets the boundary as well. This is proving to be another expensive over for Old.
There it is. That's the 50 in this semi-final.
Although the umpire is calling Chandan back for some reason, I think there's going to be...
That was in the slot. There is a fielder. This time, no mistake. Straight down the throat of that man at deep mid-wicket, which means Rajiv will make his way back to the pavilion. Karnataka lose the 3rd wicket.